Yo, what is up, guys? We're back with another video, and yeah, sorry, it's been a little while. I've been recording. I think it's been two and a half weeks. We got the new microphones hooked up. Just haven't used my phone as the audio detector, but it's fine. I can sync it. Anyway, I'll flip around and I'll show you what we're doing today. So today we're doing a custom bumper for this. So we've got this front lip off a '09 Subaru Legacy. Which I ended up cutting in half just using one of these little tiny hand saws, a bit of wood to go there, and then I'll get the bog it up, and yeah, I'll actually sink it into the bumper. But yeah, that's the plans for today. I've got an idea of what I want to do with the car, so I'll put that on screen now. So that's what I want to do with the car. But yeah, shouldn't be too difficult. I mean, it's going to be fun, but yeah, so that's what the car is going to look like. But yeah, anyways, enough talking. We'll get started with this front lip.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You couldn't be with anyone, and I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone.
couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
Right, so it's the next morning now. It ended up getting way too dark. I came back. I'll quickly put the camera. I came back and I trimmed a little bit of it and added some more. So just finished cutting it off. Put some in here too, just to help with the fog. But yeah, we'll finish cutting that off now. Later. You can also just get your hand and mold it like that too. So that's on a bit of a curve on it. Right, I'm resorting to that for now. I will fix it because I don't like how it's looking, but I gotta get a video posted and I can't wait till next week. So yeah, I will update you guys on how this looks. I will bog it, I will get it way better than that because I can't deal with that. So it looks good from afar, but I like things to be good up close as well and not look like shit, like this paint job. Or there's a little sneak peek of something I'm working on too for you guys, but yeah, I'll get that tidied up and show you guys what it looks like. But in the meantime, that's gonna cut it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.